Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. We're continuing our look at rosemary, the versatile plant that's useful for so many different things, from cooking to drought-tolerant gardens to slopes to rabbit-resistant gardens, all kinds of things. Today we're looking at which rosemaries are the best ones for containers. That's right, you have a small little patio, you want to have some rosemary for cooking, but there are so many different kinds of varieties. Which ones are the best that stay small, that grow well in containers, but still are great for cooking? So let's look at my 3 favorite small compact rosemaries that are great for cooking. First up is Roman Beauty. Wonderful little plant, blue flowers, nice, kind of upright, compact, 2 foot by 2 foot, really tiny, kind of nice little plant. Still good for cooking. Majorca pink, also a wonderful plant with pink flowers, a little bit bigger, 3 foot by 2 to 3 foot. Gets a little bit bigger, really kind of nice. But the best one of all for little patio container gardens for cooking is, of course, Chef's Choice. This little guy is designed to go in a pot next to your kitchen door. Little tight little thing. Chef's Choice is a great one for cooking. Very flavorful leaves and only gets about 2 feet tall by about 2 feet wide. So there you go. Those are my 3 favorite varieties for container gardens. Make sure to keep up with all the videos this week. We're going to look at a whole bunch of different ones, from slopes to cooking. Tomorrow we're going to look at what's the best rosemary for hiding things. So that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you hit this button, hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my videos. Until next time, this is Doug saying thanks so much for watching.